Is this 17 Pro Max screen protector from TORRAS going to be worth it for your new 17 Pro Max? Let's find out. As far as everything included, you have your installation tray helper right here, so that's going to help you install the screen protector. Right here you have your cleaning kit, which is going to come with your dust stickers, your wet wipes, your microfiber cloth, and then of course you have the screen protector itself that's preloaded with that installation film as well. So I've got my 17 Pro Max nicely installed in the tray. I'm going to show you how to install these now. It's a really simple process, but of course just make sure you put your phone screen side up in the tray. It'll have a nice snug fit. And beforehand, what you can do is clean off your phone screen just to get any dust off or any smudges. And once you're ready, take your screen protector, make sure that orange pull tab is facing under that protective film piece right here. You're going to take the L and the R side, left and right side on that protective film piece, and you're just going to line it up with these little ridges right here on the top as well. Those will be labeled L and R. So all you're doing is just connecting those together. You're just making sure those are locked in. So as you can see, they are both in there now. Here's how that's going to look. And same thing for the bottom area. There's going to be these little ridges as well. So just make sure that you lock in those areas too. And there you go. Now your screen protector is ready to be installed. So now you're just going to want to pull down that orange tab and pull that piece off. Flip this orange flap down, and this is going to be your slider. So now you just slide it across the phone. Until it hits that orange dotted line there. Slide it back up. Once you slide it back up, just unfold it here. Take these two pieces off. And then you're going to want to take that protector piece off there. And there you have it, your screen protector is nicely installed. Now obviously, as you can see, there are some air bubbles, but you can just scrape those out with the microfiber cloth that's included. Really easy installation, doesn't allow any dust or anything to get in there while you're actually installing it on your phone. They also have an anti-glare effect to them, so if you're using the screen protector with your phone out in the sun, you're not gonna have to deal with any annoying glares from the daylight. You'll be able to see your phone screen clearly. But everything comes together to make it a really seamless process when installing it to your 17 Pro Max's screen, and obviously to protect your 17 Pro Max's screen as well.